There are two main points where we experience hair breakage the most. One could be when installing a protective style, and two, when taking down a protective style and detangling our hair. But I will be focusing on the second part, which I consider to be the most important part of this process. It will be really sad and frustrating after protecting your hair for a period of time, and when you're taking them down, you lose all that effort and work you put into protecting it. When you're expecting to get half an inch per month, if you're not taking down your protective style and detangling properly, you could be losing way much more than you were expecting in the first place. You can decide to detangle your hair after your shampoo process, but I've come to discover that if you let all those shedded hair stay till after shampooing, they might get matted together with the rest of your hair and detangling might become an issue. So I like to do that while I take down my hair. I'm going to be giving you few tips that will help you, take down your hair and detangle with minimum breakage as much as possible. But before we go into that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, probably you're just watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel, like this video and share with those you think will benefit from this. And if you've been watching my video and you have not subscribed, please, like, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So let's jump right into this. Tip number 1, the use of oils, hairsprays or conditioner to take down your protective style. These conditioners, hairsprays and oils, they help you to soften the new growth from your scalp, which will make it easy for you to separate them, because it's very likely that the roots of your hair are already matted together. So it's risky to just go there without any form of conditioner or oils. You're going to break your hair. That is why it's not advisable to leave a style in for too long, because the longer your style, is in, the more the roots of your hair get matted together. So these conditioners, oils or sprays helps the shedded hair to glide through easily without forming any knots or tangles. Number 2, finger detangling. Your finger is a great tool and is your best friend to use at this point, because you can easily spot any tangles or knots as you detangle your hair. Personally, I don't use any tool aside my fingers to do this, because I try as much as possible to avoid breakage, and these tools we use might not really do much for us in preventing hair breakage. So make your fingers your best friend and best tool as much as possible. Number 3, be patient and gentle with your hair during this process. This is where most people miss it and experience more breakage than they can handle. So if you don't want to lose your hair, you have to be patient and gentle during your takedown process. Don't be in a hurry. So it might take a while to properly do this, but trust me, it's worth the time. Just make sure to take down your hair at a time that is more convenient for you. Probably watch a movie or something you love doing while you take down your hair, so that you can be relaxed. And before you know it, you will have become a pro at taking down your hair and detangling your hair without experiencing any breakage at all. So guys, this is just a few tips that I have for you. It's my first step in my wash day routine. If you protect all that hair and you're not able to retain the length, then what's the point, right? What's the point? So that will be all for this video. If you like this video and you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Drop your comments. Maybe you have a few tips to share with us or some experience you want to share with us. Please drop it down in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to them as much as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So bye for now.